Okay. So we'll start with the operators now. Okay. The first operator is what? Arithmetic operator. Okay. First is what? Arithmetic. So arithmetic means what? Arithmetic means what? Plus, minus, multiplication, division, one more, modulus. Okay. Now I'll just tell the theory part. You have to write the program, then I'll come to the practical part. Okay. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay. Suppose we'll take two variables, a equal to suppose 2, b equal to suppose 5. Okay. A equal to b equal to 5. First is what? Addition there. So like the print. How I'll do? A plus b. What is answer I'll get there now? 7. Okay. I'll get the answer what? 7. Next, a minus b, how much I'll get? A minus b. Minus 3. Then a into b. A into b how much? 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Then if I do b by a, how much? 5 by 2. How much? 2.5 by 2. 2.5. Even if I do 4 by 2 also in the Python, I told you, I get the answer in terms of what? Float. How much is 4 by 2? 2.0, not just a 2. Okay. Then mod will give me what? A remainder part, which I already know. Suppose how much I'll do? Suppose 5 mod 2 or b mod a. Remainder how much? How much? 2 to the 4. Remainder how much? 1. This is what we get the answer in what? Python there. Okay. This can be done by 3rd class fellow, 4th class fellow, 5th class fellow also. But in the real time, suppose I told you already, in the real time, if you're going to supermarket or any market, total bill, if I say, suppose if you done shopping, something you have purchased, I told you the total bill is what? 5K suppose. If I just say 5K, will you just give the cash and take the clothes or whatever there and go, or what you'll ask? Something you'll ask. What are you going to ask? I told the bill 5K over. Then price of each item. You want clarification, clarity there. This product how much cost? This product how much cost? How many items are there? What are the items there? Okay, you need proper clarification. This clothes you have taken around, suppose t-shirt there around what? Suppose 700 rupees. Shirt you have taken 1400 rupees. Like this, you have to get somewhat proper clarification there. If I just say total bill is just a 5K, how will you know after going home? How will you, someone ask you, this shirt you brought for how much cost? Will you get that clarity there? No. Suppose the shirt is damaged. Tomorrow you're going and what? Exchange is there. Okay, or else just to return the product. How much amount you have to get? Will you have clarity there? No. Okay. Same thing here in the programming also. Like this, anyone can do the programming there. But with the help of input, we have to first of all take the input from the user, then properly we have to print the value. Whatever topics you done in the input types, the value of A is like this, you want the clarity there. The value of A and B after addition is so and so, then you should get the answer. Okay. So one I'll show this in a short. Remaining you have to try now itself. So right here shortly. Okay. How will I write? Print. I'll be using F strings or anything as you wish. A value 2, B value what? 3. For clarity for first, I'll write it over here. For clarity. A equal to suppose 4 and B equal to suppose 2. Okay now? So print. I'm using F strings there. The value of, I don't think it fits in one's line. the value of placeholder, and placeholder is placeholder I kept. Then dot I should keep, or what should I keep there? I'm using f strings. No need to do anything else. Simply in the placeholder itself, pass the a value there, and here what a b value, and here what a plus b. So let me print properly there. So this is how we write the code. Okay. For just what addition. But same thing I want you to do. But what take this a value and b value from the user. And when I say addition or something there, I suppose I say addition there. Which data type will you take? Will you take string or integer or float, or what will you take? First give me clarity there, which you'll take. Why integer? Suppose I'm giving you calci. If I say in this calci only you can do addition, will you buy the calci? No, no, then. But if you take float, you can do both the things. You can do what? You can do integer also, you can do float also. But if I take only integer, what happens? I can only do integer part only there. Okay. So you have to use common sense, which technique you have to apply there. So what I'll be doing, I'll be taking mostly as what? Float. But suppose like what even numbers there, odd numbers there. In that case, I'll take what? Integer numbers. Okay. So what I wanted you to do, take the input as what? Float. Okay. Take the input as what? Float. A and B value from the user. Take only two variables. And show it to a shortcut also. Try long cut also and shortcut also. Remember a shortcut. A comma B equal to box. You have to take that shortcut. Set by a space. Then print like this. Not only f strings I want whatever you done in the input types there now. 6 types you done there. First is a normal basic one, which I done here only itself. Okay, place all those things. Remaining 5 I want like now itself. Use f strings, placeholder with values, placeholder without values, all those things. Format specifier also. Okay. So in this all these ways I want the answer now itself. Clear or doubt is there? So I want addition, subtraction, multiplication, all this in what? All the 7 ways which I have done in the input ways. Clear? And take the input as what type? Float. If you want to go with float also, you can go with float, or you can go with int also, as per your choice. Okay, no force. But I want this. Clear? So I'll give it 5 minutes of time or 7 minutes of time. Do it now. Yeah, start. Yeah, this thing online also the same thing. Ravindra, Narmada, and Anjan, Satish, and Praveen. Write the code in all the ways, in the input ways. Yes, everyone have done. Bring your books once. Which you have already know or don't know. How will I know? Input types over, int over, string over, float over, boolean over, all over. Now I want clarity there, whether you have understood practice or not. That's I'm asking you to write without seeing all those things, or by seeing also fine. Yeah, bring it fast. One, if you know, see one topic, if you know all 6 topics will be very easy. I'm saying you. Or it's like childhood, I have to go. A plus B, A minus B. Here you what you'll do, I know. What you'll do, I have to shift down arrow key wherever place is there, keep the minus, subtract, khatam over. Answer will be same only. But in the time of typing, how will write it? All writing there, I'll shift our arrow keys. Anyone doing like this? Like this, who is doing like this? Are you doing like this, anyone? Or writing full? Shanti. No. Writing. No writing. I'm asking writing or not writing? Not writing. Why? Less fingers you have. Bring fast. I have to see once. I just bring. Topic I'll leave in 5 minutes. Not a big deal for me. Okay. But I want clarity there. Okay. Only one technique. Remaining technique, sir? एक टेक्निक है, और की टेक्निक है? इनपुट टाइप्स हो गया ना? Input types. Yeah. पूरे 7 ways, 6 ways. Done. On. Yeah, setting. See, don't think I won't check. Okay. Anytime I'll check. Okay, one technique exchange. Write fast na. How much slow you're writing? I don't know. 20 minutes I give for time for writing na. 20 minutes I give. Okay. By seeing, huh? No. How you wrote in 2 lines? 2 lines he wrote. Why you wrote in 2 lines? And where is the backslash? Those are writing in 2 lines. How you writing in 2 lines? I told you backslash is for your purpose or for my purpose. Huh? Your purpose, na. That's why I'm saying in your notes who are writing. That's the main thing, na. See what I'm doing the same thing. The company will give you the same thing there. By checking in the code, he have nothing ask you. The program will give you some program will give you. Ask you to write and show once. If you're writing in 2 lines, means what? He'll check whether you're using backslash or not. That's the only thing. Sometimes in the thesis interview, simply nothing they'll ask you. Pip they ask, that's it only. Pip they ask, format specifiers, placeholders, they ask, that's it. 5 minutes interview happened, that's it. Selected. 5 minutes only. Same other person there. 1 hour interview happened, but still not selected. So it's your choice. Again, don't tell me again, don't blame me again. Here used. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Anusha, ring. Brahma. Brahma Shatriya. Brahma. Book went back means what I know. That's why what I do, when I take exams, toppers I'll make them separate. Wantedly what I do, toppers I'll make them sit on the floor. Separate I'll make toppers I'll do separate. Failures copy, khatam. Logic there na. If one fail, all will fail only. Simple. It will be easy for me to do correction also. The pass only there. I know. By seeing only I know. Book also I know. Number also I know. But the pass fellow sit with them with the fail fellow, what happens? All will pass. Then again I have to check all the books, all papers, all lines I have to check. But already I know that fellow will fail. I know that fellow will not fail. Tomorrow, suppose blindly I have done a correction there. Tomorrow I'll come and say, sir, I wrote the answer, not checked. Tomorrow I'll get surprised how this fellow wrote. He copied and wrote, okay. But I'll be surprised how he wrote. That's why you have to separate sometimes. In the company also same thing they'll do. They'll make water 2 months, 1 month water. They'll check a performance. After 1 month, 2 months, they'll separate you from a batch. Okay, that's the main thing. Your friend will be in the different group, will be in different group, or both may be in same group also. That time friendship goes, everything goes, I'm saying. Nothing will be there. That time company look for profit, not for a friendship or not for a relationship. Okay. Okay, let me show you once. Okay. Where I kept this file. See where which file I have keep also I don't know. Okay, just give you 2 minutes of time. You see once, then you can do your part. Because Saturday I have formatted the system, that's why. Okay, now what I have done in the fourth line, I have taken the value of A and B at one time and splitting by what is space. Only split means what? Space. Okay, the first technique what I'm applying here is what now? F strings. So what is the first placeholder I'm passing there? What? A value. And here what? A B value. And here what I'm doing there? A plus B. So let me open terminal box once. So clear screen. Okay. So let us pass the value from the user there. So pass A value like what? Let me clear screen once again for clarity there. So we'll run the code again. So A value will pass there what? 4 and B value how much? 2. So the first one 4 plus 2 6. Next 4 minus 2 2. 4 into 3 4 into 2 8. 4 by 2 2.0. In Python, division will give you the answer in terms of a float. Then 4 mod 2. Remember how much? 0. Then 4 star star 2 means what? 4 to the power of 2. 4 square. How much? 16. Okay. And here x I have taken that variable. A and B are of what type? Int type. Okay. Int type. Enter now. Okay. So here I applied what concept there? F strings concept. Okay. And suppose I don't know the fourth line, then I can go with what? Second and third line also. Okay. Now, floor division. What is this floor division there? See, floor division will give you the answer in terms of integer when both the sides are what? Integers. Means what? So if I'm using the what? Float division part. Example here 4 and here what? 2. This 4 is what type? Int type. And this 2 is what type? Int type. So if I do int by int only, in short words, what I can say, if I do int by int, then I get the answer as what? Int. I get the answer as what? Int. But same thing, if I do with what? Int by float. Int by float. Then I get the answer as what? Float. I told her this topic already. Told her, not told her. Or if I do float by int, then answer what? Float. Make this point once. So when you get the in terms of what float division, and see here, one time or two times a backward slash. Backward or forward slash? Check once, check once, check once. Properly check once. What it is? Forward. Okay. Forward slash. So in the case of float division, means what? 2 times a forward slash. Is means what? A float division. You get the answer in terms of int only when both the numbers are what? Integers. But if any of the number is float, then my answer will be in terms of what? Float. So let us see once now. Done writing part? Okay. What is the first answer now here? 1 minute. See, if the meeting ends, join the same link once again after 2 minutes. Okay. If the meeting ends. Okay. So 4 by 2. What is my answer now here now? 2. Reason for coming to there? Both are what? Integer numbers. Okay. What about this answer? 2.0. Okay. This one answer? Huh? What's the answer? 2. Only what? 2. The point values will be getting what? Ignored. In this case, answer now? Yeah. 2.5 or 2.0 now. Why? Because we done the part